If you are looking for the epitome of a luxury boutique community with a heavy influence of English countryside design, and you want these homes to be on larger lots, yet still close to all the amenities, then stick around because in today's video, we are going to be covering a new stunning luxury community in Brentwood, Tennessee, and it's called Anna. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin Martin. I'm a local Nashville real estate agent, founder of the Caitlin Martin team, powered by Weichert Realtors, the Andrews Group. We specialize in helping out-of-staters looking to relocate to the Middle Tennessee area. So let's go ahead, dive on into what you need to know about Anna by Grove Park. Now this is going to be a secluded, meticulously designed gated estate community. It's going to be located right there at Franklin Road and Concord Road in Brentwood. Now Grove Park is known for developing some of our most stunning luxury communities in Williamson County, and this community is truly no different. So picture this. Behind 10-foot iron gate lies a highly curated neighborhood. Each of the homes are going to feature elevated entrance drives with Belgian pave inlays, natural cobblestone. You're really going to get a true homage to refined English countryside design. This is not your typical Southern design, but really a nod to the beautiful architecture from England. Now, Anna spans approximately 28 acres, and it's comprised of a limited collection of just 17 lots. Now, each of those lots are going to be right around a quarter of an acre, and it's really set amongst the rolling hills of Brentwood. If you look in the distance, you can actually see the rolling hills all around the community. Now, despite being near two of Brentwood's major roads, Concord Road and Franklin Road, this community is actually really quiet and it's completely picturesque. Now, the entrance is going to be located right next to Brentwood Baptist Church. So in Anna, every residence is going to be bespoke. You've got metal, slate, cedar roofs, then you have steel or aluminum clad windows, and of course, everything has to be reviewed and approved by the Grove Park's Architectural Review Committee. So that way, no two homes in this community are alike. You will not find cookie cutter homes in this community. Now, when it comes to the interiors, think refined luxury. Think oversized kitchens with scullery prep suites, floating staircases, elevators, wine rooms, bourbon bars, grand living spaces featuring natural stone and artisan finishes. And if it's a little bit more challenging to picture it, let's actually take a look at some of the homes currently listed on the MLS that have inspiration photos, because of course some of these are either not built yet or just about to be built. So let's go take a look at those homes. Okay, so we are taking a look here at what is currently on the MLS. We have two homes actively on the market. We have another one that has closed, but again, this is just giving you the location. You can see how close in proximity it is to Interstate 65. So let's take a look at this. This is actually by Hidden Valley Homes. They're one of our luxury custom builders within the Williamson County area. This home is listed exclusively by Aaron Kruger at Compass. So these photos are really just to give you an idea of the renderings of what's planned for this home. And so this is actually very close to the current stage of development that it's in. This is pointing out the lot. And then this is giving you an idea of the floor plan, just the area in which this is located if you're not familiar with the Brentwood area. And then these are just inspiration photos of what they intend this home to look like. Now, with new construction like this, depending on where you get it in the contract process, there could be the opportunity for you to maybe make some selection changes, but if it's further along in the process, that's not likely. However, these builders are really known for quality work, beautiful designs. They have design teams in-house that they work with. So their final product, even if it's a spec home that you buy, is still a really beautiful quality product. And so again, this is just an idea of what this home is going to look like. This is absolutely beautiful. This is actually the entrance to the community. So hopefully this just gives you an idea of what this home is going to look like. We'll take a look at the other one as well. So this is going to be lot 7. And you can see with these homes, like you can definitely tell, we talked about the stone, we talked about metal, we talked about
wood, you know, all of these elements. While none of these homes are going to look alike, there's no two homes alike. You can see some common threads throughout as we take a look at these homes. And so again, these are inspiration photos of what the home on lot 7 is going to look like. But again, it's just these really beautifully done homes. A lot of focus on natural light, letting, you know, the indoors come, or letting the outdoors come in as you're taking a look. But again, depending on where it is in the process of maybe you wanted to change colors or something, that would be a conversation to be had. But again, it just depends on where it is in the process. So that's taking a look at that home. And then we'll actually also take a look at the one that just recently closed right there, just below 6.3 million. So let's take a look at this one. This one's a beautiful home. You can see a lot of natural light in this home, the beautiful wood on the ceiling, the natural stone. You have double islands, one with the waterfall. You can see the wine bar in there as well. So you can see open floor plan, lots of natural light, sits on a beautiful lot, and it's in this really lovely boutique luxury community. So this is just a look at what that home looked like on the interior. So hopefully, even though this community is still new within its development, it gives you an idea of what you can expect out of this community. Now, there are some lots that are already designated for certain builders that are going to be building on those, but there are also still some lots available. But again, this is a great community. If you are somebody that wants a little bit of a larger lot, you want a home that's not cookie cutter, but you still want that close access to everyday amenities that makes life so convenient, this can be a really great community for you to explore.
Now, of course, we've got to take a look at the location of Anna. We've talked about it briefly, how it's at the corner of Franklin Road and Concord Road, and it's actually just minutes from the Brentwood Hill Center, which is where you're going to find plenty of shopping, grocery stores, restaurants. Anything that you could possibly want is going to be right there at the Brentwood Hill Center. And in fact, if you've actually seen my other video that I did on Eastman's Preserve, this community is located in the same area, but Anna is going to be just north of where Eastman's Preserve is located. Also, this community, when you take Franklin Road, it's actually going to lead you right into Cool Springs, which is where you can find additional shopping. And then of course, it's even less than 3 miles getting to Interstate 65. So it's a really convenient location. And then you're only about 20 or 30 minutes from the airport. So you really get that blend of suburban tranquility, but you also have seamless access at the same time, which is what makes this community so unique. Now, homes in Anna are going to be zoned for top-rated Lipscomb Elementary, Brentwood Middle, and Brentwood High School. And really, when you think about Anna, this is such a unique community. It's going to be more than just a neighborhood. It's a sanctuary. It's private. It's timeless. You have this beautiful, artful design, and it's going to be exclusive because, again, it's just 17 lots. So if you want to learn more about this stunning community or other luxury communities in Williamson County, there is a link down below in the description where you can actually grab my free Nashville luxury guide. I also have a free Nashville relocation guide if you are looking for that as well. But again, please do not hesitate to reach out. All of our contact is down below. My name is Caitlin Martin. I'll see you next time.